These small devices connect to your existing garage door opener and pair to your smartphone, tablet, or smart speaker over Wi-Fi, allowing you to open and close it remotely for yourself or guests, or even see if you left the door open. There are many products available to choose smart garage door openers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best smart garage door openers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smart Garage Door Opener Remote. The Kali is Mera's latest smart garage door opener, and it's the smartest garage door controller we came across after comparing over a dozen of them for 30+ hours. Mera's garage door openers are used by more than 100,000 users, and for good reason. This smart garage door opener supports several smartphone platforms, including Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Samsung SmartThings, Apple CarPlay, and HomeKit. The latter lets you use the Apple Home app to check your garage door status and open and close the door remotely, and receive door status notifications from Siri without having to open a separate app. That's all thanks to its large external antenna, a feature most others lack. Overall, the opener is easy to install, controls up to 3 garage doors, and is more future-proof than other options, thanks to its wide support for smart home platforms. Number 2. Chamberlain Smart Garage Control Wireless Garage Hub and Sensor. If you're not the biggest fan of home projects, we recommend the Chamberlain MYQ system. It is hands down the easiest smart garage door opener to install. Its app provides a slew of video walkthroughs for installation, so you'll get it set up in practically no time. Really, all you need to do is plug in the controller, pair a battery-powered door sensor, and program the controller to operate your opener by pressing a button. This smart garage controller lets you invite up to 3 people to control your garage door. Even better, it's the only option I came across that works with both Amazon Key-in and the Walmart Plus and home delivery services, so you can conveniently have your packages and groceries delivered inside your garage. You can also link it to a Wi-Fi connected garage cam for additional peace of mind. Number 3. Genie ALKT1R Smart Garage Door Opener Controller. For homeowners with either a Genie or older Chamberlain garage door opener, we recommend the Aladdin Connect system. We like that the Connect Hub doubles as a garage door control panel since it features manual buttons for opening and closing doors. However, the Genie lacks many features that competing smart garage door openers offer, and it oftentimes costs more. Although you can use the app to set schedules to close your garage door at specific times, the app, unfortunately, lacks built-in geofencing support. On the plus side, this option works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings, and lets you control up to 3 garage doors. Number 4. iSmartGate Pro Smart Garage Door Opener Remote. With a price tag that's as much as 5 times steeper than competing smart garage door openers, the iSmartGate Pro certainly isn't cheap. However, it is one of the most feature-filled garage door openers you can find. This option supports a bevy of smart home platforms, including Alexa, Google Assistant, HomeKit, IFTTT, and SmartThings. Not only is it compatible with every major smart home system, but it also supports geofencing capabilities and lets you share garage door access with up to 10 users. The iSmartGate Pro offers users a relatively easy installation. You just plug it into a power outlet, connect 2 wires from it to the back of your garage door opener, and stick it to the side of the opener with included double-sided tape. If you're looking for a feature-rich opener that works nicely with cameras, it may be worth its higher than average price point for your setup. Number 5. For those looking for a full garage door opener replacement for a new build or a renovation, the Chamberlain B6753T is the best smart garage door opener you can buy. It's one of the first options that integrates a Wi-Fi connected camera so you can get a bird's eye view of your garage. The feature-rich opener works with Amazon Key-in, so packages can be dropped off inside your garage. 1300 wide-angle camera lets you see and hear what's happening in your garage through the MyQ app. Controller type, iPhone, Android. Download the MyQ app and follow the steps to connect your new garage door opener so you can control, secure and monitor the garage from your smartphone, anytime, from anywhere. Uniformly brightens every corner of the garage, motion activated, to open, close the garage door even when power is out. An ultra-quiet DC motor and soft start, stop smooth operation ensures for comfortable living spaces near the garage. Communicate in real time between your garage and your smartphone. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.